How to add announcement bar. So in order to add announcement bar, you first need to head over and then locate the ad block option. When you hover to a particular section, you should be able to see here this ad block. So click on this right here, and then you can click on the search bar and search in here for scrolling. Here it is right here. Just head over and click on it and drag it wherever you want to put it. I'll put it above my actual page. Now here is what it looks like. So let's head over and edit it. So for example, you're having an e-commerce store and you wish to actually add an announcement right here for free shipping. What we can do is we can head over and then edit this announcement bar or scrolling section and click onto this edit option or pencil icon. Click onto this right here for the content. So let's input right here free shipping for orders above $50. So let's input that right there and you can find it right here. Now, if you wish to change its design, you can click on this design option and change the actual text style, the strokes, the blend mode, as well as the color of this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.